how to auto collect in Grow a Garden. You can actually auto collect in Grow a Garden, and I'll be explaining to you how you can actually do that. And you can pretty much AFK macro farm in Grow a Garden by doing this method. There's a couple methods that you can actually do to auto collect in Grow a Garden. And if you do want the new grape seed, guys, there will be a grape seed giveaway today, so you can actually get yourself a grape seed right now if you comment down below grape. The only thing that you need to do is comment down below grape and you'll be entered. So let's actually go ahead and enter in my garden and showcase to you how you can actually auto collect all these plants. Okay, there's a bunch of auto collection to be done today because it's a very easy thing to do. Anybody can do that. Okay, anybody can do that. So I would suggest you to plant as much crops in one space as you can. Okay, plant as much of them. You can plant so many crops or in one space, and you can do that by simply spamming the place. So you just click on this one spot and then you have to wait for a little bit, and then when this giant circle is gone, you can pretty much click again on the same spot, and you can repeat this process a couple more times. So you can actually just wait, why did I, oh no, nope, no, I put apple trees. No, I put apple trees here. I should have put tomato seeds. Oh, I always get them. Okay, I literally messed it up. I messed it up. But it doesn't matter. I'm gonna remove those apple trees anyways. So once you have a lot of crops, you just stand next to this thing and you hold E, guys. Hold E. Hold E. And I see my backpack is already full. Do I have any golden? Wait, do I have any gold in my inventory? No gold. So I want to sell everything. I want to sell everything. My inventory. Bang. There we go. It's my inventory. But okay, so let me delete this apple tree. Can I delete the apple tree? Bang. Bang. Okay, delete it. Delete it. So once you actually like have a bunch of these crops inside of one crop, you just wanna press E. Hold E, guys. Hold E. You see? Hold E, and then it's gonna collect it. You see how? So this is pretty much what you want to do, is to have E and then collect it all. And this is pretty much how you auto collect all your crops at once. Okay.